Philly and Minnesota, remember? Because Minnesota had beaten the Saints. Heading to the Patriots game. Woo woo! Oh, here we go. Sunset hot hands.
Nighttime hot hands.
Nighttime hot hands. It's the stadium. Hope we can see from where we're sitting. We're in the nosebleed section today. I gotta find a porta potty on the way. If you see one. We have no idea if the Buffalo Bills have won or not because we all lost service. Woohoo, Buffalo! Stadium all lit up at night. Why are we rooting for the Buffalo Bills? I don't know.
I don't know.
Even the Tennessee fans. And why aren't you rooting for Tennessee? Those are your people.
Yeah.
You gotta go that way, boo boo. To the right. Why don't you just skip the game and go see a movie?
Or go to, they have like one of those games that
Oh yeah, like.
fits in.
Yeah. Alright, it's like.
They got
They got a nice little setup over there. They got the grill, they got a heater, they got TVs, they got tops going, a big ass TV. We could do that.
I would only want to go that all out if we had to.
And we had season tickets.
AFC Wildcard game here. The Bills and the Texans. 19-19 start.
I dropped my Ritas in the shitter.
It's the line of the day. We finally made it in. Now we gotta walk up 12 stories
Last
on a ramp.
time I was here, I got to take the elevator. You think I can tell them I'm pregnant?
No, I don't think so.
I think the elevator's already shut off anyway.
Did you drop your Ritas in the shitter?
I dropped my Ritas in the shitter, kid.
And that's where it ends. We didn't film the rest of the game because, well, there was really nothing to film. The Patriots lost. Well, they were losing by 1. Had the ball back. And threw a pick 6. Ends the game. So, not good. Not a good ending to the game at all. So, we didn't film it. It was probably Tom Brady's last game as a Patriot, possibly last game. We had fun. It wasn't too cold. It was nice to go out to the stadium. We haven't been there at the beginning of the season, so it's our 3rd Pats game of the year, so it was nice. But that could be it. We don't know what's going to happen now in New England with Tom Brady. We sit and wait. Possibly by the time this video comes out, we'll know, but you may already know. This video could be, we're a couple weeks delayed, so this week could already go out and we already know. So leave a comment and tell me I'm wrong or tell me I'm right. I cannot see into the future, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed a journey to in a little bit at Gillette Stadium for the Wildcard game against the Tennessee Titans. And make sure you subscribe. We need subscribers. Subscribers are doing good. Our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers this year. And so far out of the gate, first week of January, we're doing all right. So keep it coming. Leave a comment. Let us know where you want us to go. We have so many adventures planned for this year. So we have a lot for you guys. A lot. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.